Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Black Leopards 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2 in the DStv Premiership on a Wednesday evening, where we saw Mamelodi Sundowns taking back their lead at the top of the table. There were 3 teams that were on 27 points. Swallows Football Club, SuperSport United and Sundowns. Sundowns ngoku iyawuvula umsantsa phakathi kwabo namaqela aphambili kwi ABSA or DStv Premiership. Utsovilakazi, of course, former Sundowns player. We watched the game. Red card for Sundowns, but they looked like they were 11 men versus 11 men, which shows the quality, which tells you something about the players that they have at their disposal. Overall, Wena, what was your observation? Even maybe let's start at that point where a team that has 10 men come back and be able to take all 3 points.
Nguleko qala ngibulise wena Msujuna Drake no Chester laphayana and nani bafithu please cela nje lonely support nje kakhulu siyabonga bafithu so lo sibeka nje injobo injalo nguleko into engizoyenza nje ukushaya izandla kokuqala you know why ngishaya izandla beautiful football both teams quality experience plays a part. Gulego, you know, Babati, sometimes you need to take one for the team. Umvala did that. Yeah. Simsole is not a good defender, he's not a really good player, he's not the type of a player for Sundowns. But today, he played a very important role with Sundowns. That's why Sundowns managed to win. Yeah. You know, in that action, everyone available doesn't blame. No, but why did you do that? But at the end, he has to take one for the team, and it worked for them because after that, I think Bakalo switch on the Sundowns. Technical team, they were awake. Bavulila Metro and then Baboni Lugutino. We need a match in Sanchan. Gulego. If it's not broken, don't fix anything. That team is Sundowns. We are going to watch stability in the midfield. Sereno, Captain. I mean, from these players because Basboni see past seasons. They are capable of doing what? Last season they've won triple. Now, about number 1. The difference between Leopards and Sundowns today was experience, and you could see even Anoma leader Ilontuzana Leopard, they were still rushing and rushing and rushing. Yes, you need to put pressure on them. That's the best way of defending. You need to attack, but at the very same time, keep the ball. Spend most of your time with the ball because for them, they must get the ball. But now, what they wanted to do, Leopard, is to force to get the second goal and the third goal. And now, remember that you are playing with the experienced players. I mean, Lamanba win the Champions League. So when you play against people like that, you need to be very cautious. Mobile leader, you need to be very cautious. Should I keep the ball? Transitions, or should I keep on attacking them? Because as soon as they understand how we play, then obviously they'll come with a plan. And individual brilliant from our players at Sundowns. I mean, Kulego. What more can you ask from? I mean, Kulis came in, Sereno, Charlie, Pegushalulile was playing as a right wing first half. I don't know why coaches Bamfagela Payana it didn't work at all. Now Ushalulile Bambegela Kulego, it takes a really good player. And that split of a second to react to the way Ushalulile ends in a corner. You know, Ulshaile ball block. In that split of a second, the Polana Ipezul, you know, it tells you the quality. It tells you the quality. You know, in football, that's why I know there's games where coaches they'll win games. There's games where players they win games. You know, it's Sundowns today. Coaches, well done. You made good changes. Well done. Look, as much as when you are wrong, in social, you guys, we are wrong. But when you are doing something right, I must say it again. Good changes. Ufagenu Umkulisi, Usereno, Ukapinga, Uchale in the midfield. Kulego, I change the whole game. You know, Ungenokala Bandulaba. I say individual brilliant experience, quality from those players. Yeah. So now, they are more than play part.
There's something very important that you're trying to mention about Leopards, and I think even for me it's a teachable moment. Maybe there's something we can learn from that. You have the lead, Isaac Masia scoring, well done. You have Rodney Ramakarera, Ovidi Karuru, Roderick Kabwe, Masia. You have Wiseman Maluleke. You have players that are supplementing you going forward. What decision do you make? Because we always say try and play, because what you're going to do is to attract the opposition, and they're going to make mistakes because they're chasing the game as well. Bona, what did they fail to do in the moment when they had the lead, and even in the moment, because I remember saying to myself and to you as well, Wuti, you know what, it's 1-1, but there's a red card. If they maintain this intensity, they can score more. And there were moments. Bona, what is their biggest feedback that you have for them in terms of managing the game at 1-0? 3 points instead of 0.
Ngulego, keeping the ball, you need to frustrate the Sundowns. They needed to get the ball and equalize. You know, in the Bayern, they did something that Sundowns was supposed to do in terms of panicking. And Sundowns, they were supposed to keep the ball and make Sundowns to panic and push more numbers up front to try and get an equalizer. But they made it easier for Sundowns. So Sundowns, what they did was, let's use our experience. You guys at the back, now don't move. Just sit there. And then 1, 2, 3, we're going to work in the midfield. Charlie, make sure that they don't play in the midfield. Allow them to go wide. And that's what they did. Leopards, they went wide. Knowing very well, one, that's why even as coaches, who analyze is very important. The moments they always tell us, Guma sessions, coach, you're looking at the opponents when they get a red card. Who got the red card? And the player who's going to play that position of the player who got a red card, how good is he? And is he really a defender? Like, for example, Kakana Lapayana. I mean, Kakana is not a defender, a center back. You need to play to him.
Yeah, check if he's good.
Yes, go to him. Yeah. You know, those are the things that you analyze and say, you know what? No. Instead of playing those balls wide, no, let me force them here in the midfield. Because these two, Low is a midfielder, Luana is a center back. But also this one is weak, because for me, if Ulibusa, he's good enough as a defender. Umvala was not supposed to be in that position. Umvala was standing as a sweeper. You can't put Umvala as a sweeper when you know that Umvala natural is a midfielder. Yeah. So those are the things that my opponents, you need to analyze this and capitalize. Okay, Karola Payana, all right, fine. You know what? Ramakalela switch from with Genela Panaparat, Pultoza La Paya, Ulotuza Ukekana, because he's gonna make fouls, he's gonna make mistakes, he's not a defender. So I think that's where ile party by Latle corner, and I even said it to Guti, you know, now they leave Ushalulile and this point at the pack 1v1.
Oh yes,
that's dangerous. Yes. That's dangerous because they are leading. It's not a must for our Kumalu to go all the way. Uguti, they keep on crossing. It's not a must. They're leading. They're supposed to keep the ball and frustrate Ilonduza and Sundowns. But Bona, they played as if Engati, they are the ones that equalize. And now Sundowns by Boni, the experience of the players, the experience of the coaches. Then Babon would okay, they're still coming to us. All right, Shalulile, Yazin, forced to get one of them 1v1. And then we've got Storino will come with speed. We've got Ulonduzana Umkhulis will come with speed. Then we've got Kapinga now is coming, he's gonna cheat just here in front of Ulonduzana Umkhulisi, no child. And we're gonna get something. And it worked for them. So as much as you're leading, while you need to put pressure, be careful in terms of how to position yourself now as a team when you've got the ball and attacking, because Bona they still going grinding. You know, for them it was not must to force their way Lapaya, because they're supposed to keep the ball, allow them to come. They're the ones that they need a goal. Force them good press Allah. As soon as press, then you can play. All right.
I think there's a mini crisis that's developing at Sundowns with regards to possessions. I think the performance wasn't perfect, but of course we can't dwell on the imperfections. I mean, these guys spoke on Facebook with their halftime videos about Umaluleke and Kekana and why that's not working because they're not compatible. There were other things as well that they were talking about with formations, but we're not going to go into that now. As we wrap up this video, look forward because Nomvala, Pangalisu Mahoro injured perhaps, Nascimento injured perhaps. We don't know the timelines of their return, of course. Rivaldo Kutsia injured perhaps. Who else? Mandela Onyango injured perhaps. I think that's a certainty that we already know that he's injured, and it could be long term as well. I think the long story short with the question would be that who do you play there then? Because if you only have Musa Lebusa and you going to Nedbank and the CAF Champions League, ngubani upechayo ngoba uba okay kabubamba mfowethu manje ngoba sakudinga ngoku upecha ngabani phaya kula number 4 number 5.
Yeah, sometimes Nkululeko lento sibiza ipride sometimes uyayithatha ufake esikhwameni pride yakho. In this situation Sundowns ekuyo, Arendse is still a free agent. Look, let's asithathe ni pride sometimes Nkululeko sifake esikhwameni. Ulonduzana is still a free agent, and when you've got your clearance you can join at any time. So
that's interesting.
Let them call him. Look, they're not losing anything. Instead, they will gain something.
Interesting.
Because right now they're in a crisis.
Yeah.
They will force players to come back and play with injuries. Or they will play Ukekana Lapaya. And as I'm saying, Naguti, I will analyze, if I play against Sundowns, I will analyze with Ukekana Lapaya. He's not a center back. I'll bulldoze him. I'll make sure that I put all the balls to him. I'll put somebody that is going to make sure he's going to make him to make mistakes. So in this case, Sundowns, pride bafethu sometimes ayisebenzile. You know, let's call Arendse, come back. He's our player. He plays Sundowns anyway. He knows what's happening at Sundowns than getting umfana omusha. Yabo? Abamfonel abuye and come in and play in that central position. That's it. Simple. Dan ukuthi bazothatha uKekana bambuyise lapha, because right now the problem will be Kekana back. Bazofaka uLonduzana lapha emidleleni. Umaluleke bafake uCharlie, bazofaka uMabusi. Ne? Now we've got a crisis on the right. Like it happens. Bathe babakhipha uMkhize bafaka uSereno. Then uMabuya waya lapha. And uhlala kamnandi lapha. Very well. There were no issues lapha ku right back. So it tells you ngokuthi he is not supposed to be in the midfield. So ama coaches at Sundowns abanga skrika makhanda bona self, but you know, as coaches we always believe in whatever that we believe in. So I'm saying to them abafonela Arendse as a lapana today Wednesday, Thursday, I'm phoning it tonight. Send a 30 flight from Cape Town, afike lana, assign a contract, and then come and play. That's it. Other than that, I'm telling you, in Sundowns, they're going to have problems, because now everyone planela uguti, they don't have defenders. They play with midfielders at the back, and if we capitalize on that, we push more numbers in terms of low Kekana or midfielder, we're gonna get something.
Liverpool.
Liverpool right now, that's why they're struggling, because they're playing with two central midfielders, good two centre back position. So I was thinking, I'm a coach. When I'm gonna play against a certain team, I will analyze that team. You want to Liverpool by Bonil, but Fabio Lapane and this young boy now is a central midfielder, the young boy. So Baba Bonil, one, they're not used to Lendo shifter. They used to bite.
Yeah.
So that's why they are always caught. Because as soon as he wants to go and bite, we shall run. Iran, your midfielder, they run striker. They are not the same. And that's why Liverpool is struggling. They're struggling only at centre back. That's what is going to happen to Sundowns if they are not careful.
Yeah, I think the interesting thing, of course, we don't know the timelines, and also even information in South African football, there's no obligation for people to tell us whether the player is not available because of COVID-19. You know what I'm saying? Just because they need to protect the players. So it could be that some of the players will be back soon, because I think quarantining takes 10 days or 15 days, depending on the country. So it could be that some of the players will be coming back soon. The players that maybe we haven't seen for 2 weeks, they will be coming back soon because they keep on testing the guys, and then they are unavailable as a result of some of those tests. But of course, it's going to be very interesting, because if it goes on like this, there will be more goals conceded by Sundowns if they continue playing midfielders, obviously. Hopefully you enjoyed the match. The entertainment value was spot on. It was lovely. It was nice to see Black Leopards imposing themselves and not just rolling over as well. It is KeyTimes.co.za, worldsportsbetting.co.za, that's WSB.co.za, that's World Sports Betting, our sponsor. And of course, it is TV is on Facebook as well. You can catch our halftime videos. We thank you very much for watching the video.